Tumatakbo ang Dab. Basket by number Ugaliego. Pass underneath. Undergoes Dab. Basket by number Punsalan. Guarded by Adahan. Basket by Punsalan again. Tumira sa 3-point corner 3. Wala. Sikat to Punsalan. Punsalan right to the basket. Pasok. Bandeas to Punsalan. Punsalan tumira sa 3 points. Basket by Punsalan.